Hi guys, Lewis here. Today's video is all about Zoho SalesIQ and how you can use it to chat with your website visitors in real time. I'll walk you through exactly what Zoho SalesIQ is, how to sign up, take a tour of the dashboard, set up canned replies, and even integrate it with other platforms like Google Analytics. So without further delay, let's get started. So first off, what exactly is Zoho SalesIQ? It's a live chat and visitor tracking software that helps you engage website visitors in real time. But it's more than just live chat. It also gives you insights into who's visiting your site, what they're doing, and how you can reach out at the perfect time. You can automate messages with bots, track visitor behavior, and improve overall customer engagement with just a few clicks. It's like having a smart assistant on your site 24/7. To sign up for a new Zoho SalesIQ account, head over to www.zoho.com/salesiq. Right on the homepage, you'll see 3 quick options to create an account. You can use your email, Google account, or LinkedIn. For this demo, we'll go with Google because it's quick and simple, but you can pick whichever suits you best. Once you've signed up, Zoho will spin up your account and take you directly to your dashboard. That's where the real magic begins. The dashboard gives you a clear and simple view of your live chat activity. On the left side of the dashboard, there's a vertical menu that holds all your main tools and navigational tabs. The Live View tab lets you see real-time activity of visitors currently browsing your website. It helps you track who's online and where they are on your site. The My Chats tab is where you manage your conversations. It's divided into active, missed, and closed chats, so you can easily stay on top of current and past interactions. The Visitors tab shows you a list of all recent visitors along with their details like location, device, and browsing behavior. This helps in better targeting and engagement. Under the Chats tab, you can access all chat conversations across your team, including both your own and those handled by other agents. The Calls section allows you to make or review voice calls made through the system, if that feature is enabled. In the Feedback tab, you can view customer ratings and comments from past chat sessions to measure performance and satisfaction. The Reports tab provides analytics and data summaries related to chat volume, response times, agent performance, and other key metrics. With the Canned Replies tab, you can create and manage saved responses so agents can respond faster and more consistently. The FAQs section lets you set up common questions and answers that customers can access before chatting with an agent. In the Articles tab, you can build and organize a knowledge base of helpful guides or documentation that agents can share during chats. The Small Talk section is used to manage predefined casual or polite responses the chatbot can use to make conversations feel a bit more human. Business Terms is where you can configure specific phrases or keywords that might trigger different types of responses or workflows in chats. And finally, UAQs and brands help in managing brand-specific content and responses, especially useful if you're managing multiple websites or services through one system. This menu is designed to give you everything you need to manage your customer support and communication from one place, quickly and efficiently. Now, let's discuss what canned replies are in Zoho SalesIQ and how to add them. Canned replies are pre-written responses that can be quickly used during live chats with customers. They help support agents, save time, maintain consistency, and respond faster to frequently asked questions. Instead of typing the same thing over and over again, you can just insert a canned reply with one click or shortcut. This improves efficiency, especially when handling multiple chats or dealing with high volume support requests. To add a canned reply in Zoho SalesIQ, start by clicking on the Canned Replies tab in the left menu. This will bring you to the Canned Replies page, where you can view a list of all your existing canned messages. Each reply in the list shows its title, visibility type, whether it's public or private, the number of times it's been used, and when it was last updated. Now, to create a new reply, click on the Add button at the top right corner of the page. A new panel will appear that allows you to set up your reply. The first section you'll notice is the message field. This is where you type the actual reply content that agents will send to customers. You can add text formatting like bold, italics, or links to make it more helpful and structured. Beneath the message box, there's an optional suggestion tip link to help you generate relevant phrases using Zoho's AI if you need inspiration or assistance with wording. On the right-hand side, you'll see a few settings. The first is the canned reply type, where you can choose between public and private. If it's public, all your team members will be able to use it. If it's private, only you will be able to see and use this reply. Below that is the Assign Department section. This lets you link the reply to a specific department so only users from that team can access it. If you don't select the department, the reply will be available to everyone across all teams by default. You'll also see a drop-down labeled Tags, where you can select or create tabs that help you organize and filter your canned replies later. Once everything is set the way you want it, simply click the Save button at the bottom of the panel, and your new canned reply will be added to the list. Now, whenever you or your team members are chatting with customers, this response will be available instantly to improve speed and consistency in support. Now, it's very important to know how to integrate Zoho SalesIQ with other platforms so you can enhance your website's functionality and track user behavior more efficiently. To start the integration process, first click on the gear icon located at the top right corner of the dashboard. This will open the settings area where all configuration options are organized neatly under different sections. Find the developers section, and under that click on the integrations option. This will take you to the integrations page where you'll see a variety of third-party platforms and services that Zoho SalesIQ can connect with. The platforms are categorized into different types like Zoho apps, telephony, analytics, and more, making it easy for you to find what you're looking for. Let's say you want to integrate Google Analytics. All you need to do is scroll through the list until you find the Google Analytics option. Once you spot it, click on it to open the integration setup page. On this page, you'll get a brief overview of what this integration does. To move forward with the integration, click on the Add button on the right-hand side of the Google Analytics section. This will trigger the process of connecting your SalesIQ account to Google Analytics. You may need to sign into your Google account and give the necessary permissions for SalesIQ to share data with Analytics. Once connected, SalesIQ will start sending real-time data to Google Analytics, including details about your website visitors, their behavior, the pages they visit, and how they interact with your chat widget. This integration helps you better understand your customer journey, improve your marketing efforts, and make informed decisions based on detailed analytics. You can follow the same process for other platforms listed on the integrations page, such as Clicky, Facebook Messenger, or even telephony services like Telephony, by simply clicking on them, reading the overview, and then hitting the Add button to begin linking them with SalesIQ. And that's it for this tutorial on Zoho SalesIQ. I hope this helped you better understand how to use the platform effectively. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more tutorials like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.